Hi everyone, welcome to Ivan's Treasure. Today we are going to see some facts about cute animals. Let's check it out. Rabbit. Rabbits are herbivores that live on land. Rabbits are animals that eat carrots. Rabbit also sometimes eat grass. Deer. Deer are generally born with white dots that will disappear within a year. Deer have long legs. They can jump high and swim. Deer usually live in the forest and they are herbivorous. Fox. Foxes are small carnivorous. There are 27 species of foxes. They are omnivorous and the small. They are fast and agile runners. More facts about fox. A fox is a mammal and live in dens in the ground or old trees. Foxes have long, bushy tails and narrow faces. Foxes are omnivorous. They are social animals, can be friendly, and are not a threat to humans. Hedgehog. This tiny animal is a thorny but not sharp mammal. The size of the largest mini hedgehog is only the size of an adult's hand when he is 5 years old. Owl. This one animal is carnivore and is active at night or nocturnal. One of its attraction is its neck, which can rotate up to 180 degrees. Bear. Bear is a type of animal that is often used as a cartoon in various titles of children's films, whether in the form of cartoons or animations. Bear are one of type of mammal that has an unusually large body size. Raccoons. The skin consists of thick gray hair to prevent the entry of cold air into the body. This animal is known for its very agile claws. Raccoons are omnivorous, usually nocturnal. Cats. Cats are one of the most popular pets that we have. These have amazing night vision and can see 6 times better than humans. Did you know? Kittens can purr when they are only 2 days old. The average cat can sleep between 16 and 18 hours a day. Dolphins. Dolphins are friendly to humans. Dolphins are carnivorous marine mammals. Dolphins do not drink water like humans. Instead, dolphins get all the fresh water from fish they eat. Dolphins are not fish, they are mammals just like we are. Dogs. Dogs are carnivorous and are generally friendly animals. The nose of a dog is 1,000 times more sensitive than ours. They lick their own paws to clean them. A puppy is born blind and deaf. Panda. Pandas have an extremely good sense of smell. Pandas eat bamboo and live in bamboo forests. Pandas can climb trees and swim. Pandas live to be about 15-20 years old in the wild and can live about 30 years in captivity. Pig. Pigs are intelligent animals. Pigs are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and other animals. Pigs have an excellent sense of smell. Some people like to keep pigs as pets. Squirrel. Squirrels are fantastic acrobats. Squirrels are found on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. The largest is found in India, which can grow up to 3 feet long. Squirrels are born blind, young squirrels, like many mammals. Hope you like our videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel Ivan's Treasure.